Okay, everybody, we're going to start with step one. Okay, Kenzie, so what you need to do is get these nippers, those blue handles, those are called sprue cutters. And so we want to let's cut all these pieces out. So we want to cut the upper fuselage, that's A1, that big one there. There you go.
How do you cut this?
Put it down where they can see you. There we go. If you turn those against, see the flush side, if you put it up against the...
What? Oh, geez.
This side right here. If you put that up against the model and then cut, like on this right here. Oh, okay, it fell right up. So what you want to do now is you left a little piece there, so let's trim that off. Okay, trim that little piece off.
Oh, that one.
Okay. And now you need the bottom part.
The bottom part is
The
this
bottom,
side.
yeah, the egg part.
The egg part.
Good.
Didn't get that all the way. Oh well.
Okay, and now we're going to look for part B3. It's a weight.
B3.
So each, the sprues. See, like
Is
this
it named?
This is sprue A.
Right.
Okay, that's B. Do you see B3? There it is. Yep. Okay.
I don't have good eyes. You never trust me with this kind of stuff because I can't see correctly.
Fell out. It's all right. We'll find it. Do you see it down there anywhere? It's probably right by my foot or somewhere. Oh, here it is. All right. This is something we got to put up with. Things fall on the floor. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Also for this step, we need these two wings, B11 and B10.
Okay, it's like 11 and 10.
11 and 10. Those are called the vertical stabilizers. Now my other daughter Kaylee's got the Thunderbird, the F-16, so we'll be putting that together here before long.
Yeah, where's she gonna put that together? Is that home?
Yeah.
Too?
Yeah.
On the way here?
Okay. All right. So now what we're gonna do?
That's seriously it. Wait.
It'll be a lot easier for us just to glue these two halves together, and then we'll put the wings in. And don't forget, you gotta have this weight part.
Oh, I think I messed that up right there.
Well, we're gonna fix all that.
Sandpaper.
Yeah, sandpaper and a little bit of putty.
Putty.
Something there. Yeah, we'll fix that. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna go together pretty well. Okay, and we gotta put this, there's a piece that goes in the nose that keeps it from tipping back. And it looks kind of strange, but it goes in this slot on the bottom right here.
Oh, in the bottom.
Yeah, see there. So always match your pieces up. There we go. Yeah. So now, this stuff is like magic. Okay.
Yeah, you like
Take this glue.
put it on the edges and then put it.
Yeah.
Line this
This
up.
glue here is real thin, and all you got to do is you're going to take the glue, take that.
Oh, you just knocked it off.
Well, you set it in there. Set it back in there.
It smells like nail polish.
So we're going to set that back in there. Let's see. Okay. And then all you're going to do is take this and you just touch it to each side. And the glue is so thin it runs down in there.
Touch it to what?
Like touch it right here on the side. See where it's joined the metal, the plastic. And then maybe a little bit closer up there. Like right right there. Actually, right up in there.
Oh, wait. There.
Yeah, right up there. Touch it right there. There you go. Now give me a little bit more glue. Do the same thing on this side. And just touch it and then run it down there. Okay. Now you get a little bit of time just to get it in position where you want it.
Okay.
Okay. You want it kind of flush where it's going to stick there. There you go. Okay. So that's a little bit of nose weight.
That smells so bad.
Okay. Now let's take this and we're just going to put it on top there and line it up. You got notice you got a little pin right there where it sticks in. So yeah, there you go. Okay. And make sure, like this right here, you want to make sure that little nose thing gets in the right way. There it goes.
Oh, it just clicks on.
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is take this glue and you just kind of like go around the seams and glue it all in there. You can just touch it and let it run down in there and...
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. And then like hold it now and then keep going around and just do the same thing. And make sure you get all the little seams where it joins up together.
Yeah, got that part, but it just tight.
And you can just take that and brush it if you want.
Wait, what?
Just take that and brush it along the join seams. And like right around here, this side here. Yeah, and you can just take it, you can take the little brush and just run it right along the seams. Like where it joins together. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Just do that all the way around. And go ahead, like now you got the front done, just kind of squeeze it, hold it, and then start working your way to the back.
Wait, to the back?
Yeah, like right along here, like right there. Okay. Like that. There you go.
Can you squeeze the back end?
Yeah, what we're going to do with the back is we're going to put a clothespin on it.
Clothespin?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Okay. Now just let's take this and just clamp it right there. That way it'll get the back. That fits perfect. Okay. Yeah. And, okay, just like that. And then what I usually do for the sides is because we want it to dry really well. And what we do is usually just get some. Whoop.
Oh.
That didn't.
Good job.
There we go.
Good job.
So really, it looks like it's going to seal up pretty good. But what I usually do is I just take a little bit of this blue tape and we'll just take some tape and wrap it around so we make sure it dries really good. Because that's one thing you don't want your model falling apart. So we want to make sure it dries really, really good.
Oh, that would suck.
Yeah, just like that. Okay. And while that's drying, we can go ahead and put your wings on. And yeah, so okay, so right here.
Oh, so they go like on top.
Yeah.
V10. How do you tell which want to switch? Does it even
Well,
matter?
sometimes, oh, see, we got a little thing right there we gotta take off there. Let's get this nippers.
What?
Well, okay. So, oftentimes they're the same, they're identical looking.
Oh yeah, that's coming off.
Yeah, because they look pretty much the same.
Yeah.
And so there you go. So you just kind of put those in the slots.
Okay.
You know, and always make sure that you want to make sure you want to fit it first before you glue it. Make sure they're going to fit really good.
Yeah, you just need to glue it.
Well, it looks pretty cool. Okay. Well, looks all right. So here's what you can do. You can do the same thing. So what I like to do, Kenzie, on something like that is I usually take a little bit of the glue, put it along the bottom, and then stick it in, and then we'll go around it again. So go ahead and do that. Yeah, just along the, yeah.
Wait, drag it or just tap it?
You can drag it around, yeah. And get it on that little, yeah, get a lot on that because that's what's going to secure it in place. There you go. I'll put that in. Okay, maybe hold it for a second. Make sure it's a good fit. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one.
Oh, my hand is sweating.
I'm gonna do the other one.
This is why I don't like dealing with small things.
Get it down there where they can see. There you go. These little, Hasegawa planes, the plastic is really crisp. And very, Hasegawa's great model kits to work with. So, all right. Okay, so now you got your wings on. You want to make sure they're even. Kind of look at it like that, and if you see that that one is like, you can always kind of move it a little bit.
Yeah, it looks fine to me.
You think it looks good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. Alrighty. So now what we got to do is we just got to let this dry for a while, and then we'll come back and do some more. All right?
You can't go around the edges.
Hmm.
Like the edges of the things.
Can you do what?
Just go
Oh yeah. You want to? That's fine. And you can just touch it there.
Oh,
There you go.
well, I didn't touch it.
Yeah. And what this glue does, Kenzie, this kind of glue, it actually melts the plastic. It melts the plastic, and then when it dries, it kind of creates a really strong bond in the plastic. So
Melts the plastic.
yeah,
I've
it melts
never
the
heard of a
plastic.
glue that did that.
Yeah, well, this is special glue just for this kind of plastic. All right, guys. So the next steps, of course, is we'll do this later. That means painting the cockpit and adding the decals. But we'll come back at another time and do the next part. There you go. What do you think?
Yeah, looks good. Looks good.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.